Object-oriented programming (OOP) is a programming paradigm that organizes code into objects, which combine data and behavior. An object typically refers to an instance of a class, but it can also represent an instance of a struct or any user-defined type. The purpose of OOP is to create code that is more modular, easier to maintain, and aligned with how people conceptualize real-world systems. The main principles of OOP are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Each of these principles helps developers build more efficient and reusable software.